Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix ChatGPT plugin issue wherein you are having error accessing plugins in ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you are having this problem, so all you need to do guys first is to go ahead and go over to this icon here, the lock icon, and let's actually clear the cache of ChatGPT. So you can go over to site settings and go over here and delete data right here. But you can also go ahead and go over to the shortcut here, cookies and site data. So manage cookies and site data here. And all you have to do is delete all the cache files and cookies site data, all of the ones you are seeing here. So this will just log you out of your ChatGPT account guys, so nothing bad will happen, so don't worry. And then you just have to log in again and that should fix the issue. But if for some reason that is not working for you, so the second method is to actually uninstall and reinstall that certain plugin. So let's go ahead and scroll down to plugin store, and let's go ahead and go over to that certain existing plugin. So all you need to do is uninstall and just install it again and see if that worked for you. So the third and final one guys is to actually use a VPN, because that might be the reason they are having some maintenance in your country. So all you need to do is go over and have a VPN. So if you want free ones guys, I have ZenMate here. So just go, or you can also go over to the Chrome extension here. And just search for ZenMate, but there are others here that are available. So for example, this one. So you need to make sure that the reviews are fine so that it will perform well. So all you need to do is install this and just go ahead and access this here. So okay guys, those are the ways on how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.